Today, we will talk about how to clean fabric sofa with vinegar. Let's have a look at the details. Your sofa is a hub for dirt and odors, and cleaning it can seem like a hassle. If you don't have hundreds of dollars to spend on getting your fabric sofa professionally cleaned and hate the chemical smell of some fabric cleaners, vinegar may be the perfect solution. Keep watching to find out how you can clean your fabric sofa with vinegar and a few household items. The first step is developing a product line. Fill a spray bottle with 1 cup or 240 milliliters of warm water. The water breaks up and dissolves dirt and odors so they can be swept away. Club soda can also be used as a substitute, but the extra carbonation may cause bubbles to form. Mix 1d2 cup or 120 milliliters of white vinegar into the spray bottle. Use a funnel to avoid spills. The vinegar is a mild acid that breaks down dirt and neutralizes odors. You can find white vinegar at your local grocery store or online. Add 1d2 tablespoon or 7.4 milliliters of liquid soap to your solution. A natural soap or dish detergent can be used. The small amount of soap will help remove grease and grime. Mix the solution gently to avoid bubbles by either stirring with a utensil or slowly swirling the spray bottle. It's best to use natural liquid soap if you want to avoid fragrances. The second step is cleaning your fabric couch with vinegar. Remove any slip covers on the sofa. If your sofa has slip covers, take them off to clean separately. Slip covers are the fabric on top of your sofa cushions and pillows and can be easily removed by unzipping their zippers. Vacuum the sofa to remove loose dirt and crumbs. Using a vacuum on your sofa regularly will help keep your sofa clean. All dust, dirt, and crumbs must be removed from the fabric before using the vinegar solution. Use vacuum extensions to reach hard-to-reach places. Remove cushions to suck out dirt trapped in sofa cracks. Dab any wet stains with a paper towel. Removing the liquid from the stain will let the vinegar solution do its job. Gently pat the stain and be careful not to rub the area. Spray the vinegar solution on the sofa. If you are spot cleaning, target the specific stain. If you are cleaning the entire sofa, spray the fabric with light mists. Let the solution rest on the fabric for a few minutes before scrubbing. Be careful not to completely soak the sofa. The goal is to make the fabric damp to the touch, not wet. Vinegar is also a great odor neutralizer. Dab the vinegar solution with a cloth or paper towel. While the solution is drying, gently pat the area. If there are stains that need more attention, spray the area again and pat thoroughly. Repeat the process until stains, dirt, and odors are removed. To remove hard stains, carefully scrub the area with a toothbrush or cleaning brush using circular motions. Allow the sofa to air dry. Once dry, the odor should be gone, and your sofa will be looking almost new. Repeat this process whenever your fabric sofa starts to smell a little funky, or you accidentally spill something on it. Suck the fabric dry with a shop vac or vacuum to speed up the drying process. There may be a lingering vinegar smell when you are done cleaning. This will go away on its own with time, but if the smell isn't ideal, spray your now clean sofa with a light mist of your favorite spray odor eliminator. Label the spray bottle and keep the extra solution for future use. You never know when you'll need an emergency cleaner and stain remover. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.